Are you looking for a motorcycle grip that goes on without any glue, safety wire, or anything like that? Take a look at this ODI V2 lock-on grip.
I wanted to make a grip that was the type of compound and the type of feel of what a pro-level rider would want. This is the new Eimg Pro. It's a V2 lock-on grip. It goes on without any glue, safety wire, or anything like that. I really wanted to get away from the waffle pattern, so we developed these ribs. So there's 3 ribs right here that are independent. So on the rotational traction, this grip really has a great feel. The next thing is that we added a plastic end cap with a metal insert. It's actually a cap that goes over the end of the bar by about 4 millimeters. It really makes this really, really durable. So this has a 1 millimeter diameter bigger in the middle, so it's got a convex shape to it, plus the JE icon has got a little rise to that too. This grip really fills the concave part of your palm and gives it some cushion without the grip feeling big.
Get your ODI Pro grips at shapmoto.com or swing by the Chaparral Motorsports 160,000 square foot retail showroom in San Bernardino to feel for yourself the difference.